naman.
Okay. Tinry ko
Hey,
lang.
somewhere
Sarap.
video is
Okay
this
lang.
place, which is the exact same time we spent here.
Hindi naman kasi ako Korean para ma-appreciate yung mga pag-word. I just tried it.
Sarap.
Oh. Rice. Yung tteokbokki yan yung ano. Spicy.
It actually has cheese in it. Here, try some cheese.
Mamaya. This is cheese, oh.
Oh.
Sarap.
You're making me all the best.
Eat the spam ko yun. I'll give it to you.
How about this ay noodles of fat noodles.
Spicy.
Ayan o. This.
Uy, wala na akong drink, ha. Ubus mo na.
No thank you, Spam.
Just put it there. You don't like?
Yeah.
Okay.
At least na-enjoy ko siya kasi hirap ako mag-chopstick.
Even like
Ako nakatinidor ako.
I want this one.
You want this one? Which one? Donut?
Cheesy carbonara. Samyang carbonara pala. Cheesy samyang carbonara.
I want.
Sabi ko, yung cheesy carbonara at saka yung cheesy samyang, pareho lang yan. Opo, pareho lang. I like yung pagka-cheesy niya, hindi maalat. Creamy na.
Kasi yung anghang niya.
Maganda dito yung parang gusto mo pakaano lang. Parang mo baka...
Opa.
Oo. Na? Sarap na. Yung nakakabusog siya.
For some reason I can't. For some reason I can't find.
Ala, grabe si Halil, parang pumatay ng donut.
Ah,
Nag-murder ng donut.
ayan. Big bite.
Gusto niya lang pumapak ng ano. You bite it high eh. Parang dumorder ng ano oh. Mura lang naman kasi ito, kaya tanong ko 60 pesos pa naman. Mahal kasi sa iba to eh. Tsaka mamaya pangit eh. At least dito, solve ako dito sa ano, carbonara. Ang ganda naman ito spicy. So you eat rice, ano, fries. Ipamunas ako dito eh.
Look at that.
Oo.
Look at that.
Ito yung dala ko kahapon na naiwan ko. Mamaya na lang.
Bill.
Ngayon lang kasi nag-struggle ako eh.
How do I get out? There we go. How to get what? Choose your rabbit.
Lako?
Where is the topic? Where actually is the
Pag nag-asawa ka ng Korean, imagine, ganito yung mga kakain ng araw.
three?
Ikaw, kung hindi ka marunong magluto.
There. Four. Cook your rabbit. That's a cooking
Niluluto ako.
station.
Adobo. Baka siya pa yung
Wait for it to be cooked.
Tapos kakausapin ko lang, yun na.
Lamig ka eh, oh. Adobo na eh.
Wow.
Ang hirap umbusin.
Look. Mama, look. White.
Nag-listen sa chopstick.
Nakayanan mo talaga yan.
Hindi ka naman.
Kanina malamig. Kanina malamig. Wala na.
Kanina talaga pagpasok ko.
Puro kasi spicy.
Kuya, finish na ano.
I see dog. I see dog. I prefer chocolate. Toys.
Ang pangalan to? Boking?
I prefer chocolate more than ube.
Paborito.
You know me. I have a
Gusto mo?
sweet tooth.
Ano sa?
Gusto mo na. Gusto mo na.
Hala kayo. Pasi akong bakba. Lamig kayo.
Meron tayo ng ano, Korean movie. Ay, may popcorn tayo sa bahay. Ay, tomorrow lang.
Gusto ko.
Mama. Look, guys.
Guys,
Look,
hindi ko nakaubusin.
guys.
Hindi na talaga. Tingnan mo, konti na lang. Hindi ko pa kaya.
Sinabayan mo kasi na ano.
There is. Look.
Ang sarap niyan, ano?
Parang kape pa rin yun.
Wow.
Parang cappuccino.
Mm-mm.
Now. Yay, yay, yay. Mama, look.
What?
Look. Many guys.
Oh, many cars.
Oh.
Paubusin mo na po.
Wala sa oras.
Guys, yay. So
Hindi ko.
many.
Oh, gusto sa Korea. Charot lang.
Look. Okay. Look. Many
Oh, tingnan
guys.
mo. 3 pieces chicken with rice. Oh.
Look.
19.
Wow.
Ah, baka filet yan.
Wow. Mommy, look.
What?
Mommy, look.
Ano ba?
Mommy, look. Look. Look.
What? Oh, I see.
For a good reason. I see lights. This place is Mommy.
Ah, you see
I
rice?
do.
Rice.
I see it. I see the other side.
I'll see Kuya Nathan. Because you were with Kuya Nathan. Ah, eat this.
No.
Fries.
No. I like fries. No. I do. More cars. I
Lalo, ba't nanto pa?
buy her.